Alright, so we are at JFK campsite here on the Little Red River in Heber Springs, Arkansas. We're going to stay one night, try to do some trout fishing.
Yeah, the leaves are turning actually a little bit. I was hoping they would be more, but we're just kind of hanging out. We got our camp set up a little bit, but we're here and the river's just right down there. Probably can't see because of the glare, but
Not fly fishing though.
I thought we have at the pipe.
No, not with the water high. Alright, so I'm gearing up our fly rods so we can go down here on the Little Red just below the dam and try to catch some nighttime brown trout. We haven't had a whole lot of luck fishing browns out here, but where we normally catch them, they have emergency regulations because the Corps of Engineers released some turned over water into the river and supposedly killed a whole bunch of fish. Well, because of that, they're trying to lighten the strain on the Norfolk trout hatchery, and so now the other hatcheries are having to work even harder to keep up. And right over here is the Greers Ferry hatchery. So they've cut down, they've implemented emergency trout regulations. So what that means is you can only keep 2. You can only keep 1 over 16 inches, and you can't keep any on the Norfolk or the confluence where the Norfolk and the White come together.
So you can only keep 2 here too?
Yep.
Any
It's statewide.
Arkansas waters.
Correct.
Right now?
That's how they're trying to lighten the load on the Norfolk trout hatchery, because they're going to use some of this trout hatchery to replenish the Norfolk River. So we're gearing up. We're gonna fish streamers tonight. So we've got...
Never done this before.
These are what we're gonna use. I'm gonna be throwing my 9'8" weight.
Yeah, he's cool and I'm not. That's
With
cooler
this black
stuff than I do.
sink tip line.
Can't even see it.
So that's our game plan for tonight. But once our fire settles down and we have coals, we will be cooking steak over fire.
Also, he was helping a man back up and he almost ran over him with his RV. So.
True story. Do what?
So Parker is making a steak, and then we have 2 sweet potatoes. He just wrapped them in aluminum foil and put some butter and some seasonings, but that's what we got going.
Nice and white.
And as you saw, we caught 0 fish, but I did see 1 chasing my streamer. But that's also the first time we've ever used streamers, so we're learning.
And we wait. Like strobing from the frequency of LED.
So we got a new coffee machine, and it kind of brews close to espresso. Kinda. We need a grinder for the beans, I think. We're getting our stuff ready to go fishing. Today we're just going to fish with an indicator and some flies like we usually do, because we had no luck on streamers whatsoever. Here comes all the fly. That's what happened. I don't know. I always start with 3. That's what happens. Parker got me this bag. Oh, there's some fish right
in
here.
that current right there. We're both gonna have to fish that current. They should start piling in here big time. Bring that leader all the way to the tip before you start doing that. Right there. Here. Oh. Got him.
That's a decent one.
On the dry fly. Your nippers are on your bag, or your forceps. That's a good one.
Oh, he's still. Still in there.
Make sure to grab the hook shank. There you go. And the release.
He's still. That's a decent one.
All right. You got it.
I'll hold him up for a second. Squirmy.
There he goes. Back into the drift.
He's already trying to eat something again. Tied that myself. Yay. Caught one, finally.
Alright, now ease him in. Hold your rod. Yep, just like that. Oh. You're good, you're good, you're good. Let him run if he's gonna run. It's a beautiful fish. Whoop, 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 whoop. Reel, 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 reel. We don't care if you reel it past your... Nope. Just reel as much as you can. Oh. You're gonna have to make him pick his head up. All right, go left. Go left hard. I know you can't.
Oh my gosh! Yes. Oh, keep taking a video and I'll just cut the picture from it. Oh my god.
Hey, walk to the bank. Hang on, hang on. Baby, I saw him jump out of the water and I just chunked my rod. I know, he's beautiful. All right. All right, get. Let's get that fly off of him. Here, I'll hold the net. Oh no, baby.
He's free.
All right, here's what we're gonna do. Nope, we're gonna use our rod to see how long he is, and then we'll measure it when we get back.
Okay, but can you take a picture of me?
Yeah. Let's let him chill in the net for a little while.
That's shaky.
All right, back in the net, back in the water. All right, now I'm giving you the net.
I just got it on video, so just keep it in the video and I can screenshot it. I'm gonna scoot back from you a little bit.
Hang on. All right. Beautiful fish. There he goes.